Hi,
Okay.
sir. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine. And how are you?
I'm very well, sir. Very well.
Yeah. And thank
So,
you. Thank you for what being in connection with me. And also, after a long time, we are meeting each other.
yes,
Thank
sir. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure, sir. Pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. How are you, sir?
So,
And how is the weather today?
sir, whether it was hot in daytime, but I think at night time it will be little bit colder uh,
Cold.
because we are around the winter, and
Okay.
so after a month, I think there will be winter. That's why in daytime we get hot, but
Hmm?
in night time we get cold, little bit cold.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, in our side, it's always what cloudy and very few times only we can see the sunshine. Sometime whole day it will be cloudy and it will be what keep on raining. It has been raining since 3 to 4 months, sir. Okay, it's just like we are what we are living in the what in the foothills of Western Ghats.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In my locality, 10 days before it had been raining. Okay, but I
Okay.
think after before that after the 10 days, it has
Mm-hmm.
not been rained, and
Mm-hmm.
I think now it will be not rain. Okay, because rainy season has gone and winter is around the corner.
Okay, okay, sir. One more thing I would like to say here. As of my knowledge, I think this year we have received maximum centimeters of rain here, rainfall here. Maximum in my as of my knowledge, to take the past 10 years. Okay,
Mhm.
it is the highest rainfall received this year, sir.
Yes, sir. I saw since March, since March it has been raining, and it has been raining cats and dog, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
since March up to now. In my Bihar also,
Hmm.
here in Bihar also.
We are
Yeah,
receiving every day the rainfall cats and dogs here.
yeah, sir.
Yeah, it is raining
So
cats and dogs.
yeah, of
Okay.
course, sir. So I would like to know your English learning journey. I mean, what were the difficulties you faced in the initial days, and how was the way of learning on those days,
Yeah.
and what is the difficulties you are facing today, and what is the way of learning today?
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much for raising this question. By raising this question, you just helped me to recall my olden days. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
since my what elementary to this year means my professional career. Actually,
Mhm.
initially when I was in primary and high school, I was very interested about English and I wanted to learn and I wanted to speak like other people. Okay,
Yes,
at
sir.
least just I would like to. I wanted to speak just like my teachers. So
Mhm.
in those days, teachers were not okay. Teachers were to some extent they used to use English in the classrooms, but most often they used to translate the things. Even today, also the some to some extent it is being done. And
Yes, sir.
when I was in high school, my English master CSP Patil sir encouraged me to write answers without taking help of any guides. Okay,
Mhm.
only with the help of textbook we used to write answers and then we get corrected them by our teacher and later we'll okay, write them in the fair book. So this was the activity. So this activity took us to the great what developed helped us to develop a great interest about English. And I was very curious because I was very curious and very interested in English. I was good at
Mhm.
reading English, but I wanted to speak English. That's why I purchased one English Rapidix course book. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have also learned this book. Yeah, go on.
English Rapidix. When I was in high school, I purchased one English Rapidix course book. I used to what write and I used to read and try to imitate the sentences given in that book. But
Mhm.
I didn't get what good company to speak with me, to converse with me, to read with me. But my interest never ends. Even though I didn't get any good partner, but I never lost my interest. It was day by day it was increasing. Day by day I was very curious and I was hungry to learn the language. And after my PUC, again I got admission to the my degree, and there I also read English as a optional subject for the 3 years, and again I
Mhm.
took a professional degree in English, and today I'm a teacher. I know in those days just I was curious, but it didn't get good environment, but I was observing the things very cleanly. I was
Yes, sir.
observing each and every piece of information. If there is any piece of information written on anything, I was very interested, and I used to read that information with interest and try to understand its meaning and try to know its spellings. So that interest took me to this level. And even today I'm very what I'm very cleanly observing the things. Okay, whatever the thing it is, even it may be a notebook or a textbook or any what material, any stationary material or any goods. Okay, some there are do's and don'ts are given, and some the name boards, sign boards of the merchant or a shop. uh, I try to read the signboards, try to read the name boards of the particular shop or merchant, and try to understand the meaning. And sometime the motto of some particular business is also written. So try to
Mm-hmm.
understand that mottos. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. And also, whenever even my observation is so keen that wherever I go, when I will be in traveling, I will be in traveling. I observe each and every things, whichever come across me.
Mhm.
So if I am traveling in the national highway, then I observe
Yes.
the traffic rules, traffic signs. Okay. If I am traveling to the state highway, I also observe the traffic rules and traffic signs. What are the traffic rules followed in the state highways, and what are the traffic rules and traffic sign boards are followed in the national highways. So everything I observe cleanly. So with the help of that observation, whatever the observation I made outside, whenever I was in outside and whenever I'm in travel, I just uh, keep them in memory and try to implement and try to recall the sentences in my conversation with the people like you and others. And even also with my students, I used to what take that those examples, those
Oh, yes, sir.
things examples, and try to give them. Once I took the examples, once I recalled those examples,
Mm-hmm.
I never forget them. So this is my practice in today. And now my what interest and my what hungry to learn the language is widened. And I speak to people like you, I exchange my ideas, and I watch English movies without subtitles, I watch English news channels, and I
Mm-hmm.
listen to podcasts, British podcast, BBC podcast, CNA podcast, and I also watch any piece of information if it is given in English. And and a few days ago I had a conversation with the native speakers, and
Mm-hmm.
in next also we'll continue
Yeah.
the conversation with the native speakers. So, and observing the native speakers pronunciation, watching videos on YouTube, and try to understand the language. So this is all my what area of interest, and my observation to improve this what language, because I wanted to learn this language with a great interest, because each language has its own unique quality, unique identity. With learning a language, we can also learn so many things with the cultural activities, their culture,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
their customs, their traditions, everything we can what we can learn by knowing the particular language. So that's why, and English is also a gateway to the world. It's an international language. It has an international identity. So
Yeah.
once we know the language, the whole world will be just like a village in this globalization era.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm learning and creating. Even I am if I don't get the English environment around me, I just creating the environment. I just would like to creating the at least English environment among my students, and with them also I am learning something. This is my what routine and method to or my strategies to improve the language English, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your idea. Yeah, of course, sir. You told few things that is very important. That
Yeah,
is observation. I think the observation is the most important way to learn English,
yeah,
because
sir.
when you observe something, you learn quickly. Just
Yeah.
what happens in children?
Hmm.
Children just observe everything, and they just by observation they learn, and you can see
Yes.
that how fast they learn anything.
Yes,
So yes,
definitely.
sir. When we start observing everything around us in English, just we
Hmm.
see somewhere signboard and
Hmm.
written something on it.
Yeah.
Somewhere we see the instruction written on the our cloth to
Yeah.
how to wash, how to iron it or do not iron it. No.
Yeah.
So these things, every single word make our English good and rich.
Yeah,
Yes.
sir. Definitely, definitely.
Mhm.
Thank you so much for your presenting. And I would like to know how is your journey in learning this language since your primary or high school to this stage after your professional period? How you are doing things right now to develop this particular language and to get
Mhm.
master of this, and how you were doing? How were the things around you at that time?
Yes, thank you, sir. So yeah, well, when I was in high school, I didn't get chance of learning English
Hmm?
because you will be laughing, and it is ridiculous. Okay,
Oh, no,
ridiculous.
it's
In
ridiculous.
Bihar, in Bihar,
I don't.
even in Bihar board, okay, English has no value. Even you get failed in English, you will be pass. Okay, for you will be promoted for next class. That's why
Funny.
I told. Yeah, it's funny, and
Yeah.
still,
Hmm.
I in 2014 I was in class 10th.
Hmm.
Okay, but
Hmm.
even today the same
Yeah.
here. I don't know why it is happening, and unfortunately it is happening because everybody know the importance of English. So I had to just study math, science, okay, because I had to get good number. So I
Hmm.
was not caring about English, but I
Hmm.
had a burning desire to learn English because
Uh-huh.
I always wanted to speak with from all over the world. I
Hmm.
wanted to communicate with people from all over the world. That's why.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, I didn't get opportunity to learn English in up to my high school. But once when I passed my high schooling, I
Hmm.
came in city, okay,
Hmm.
in Darbhanga city to learn my
Hmm.
science subject because
Yeah.
I had to learn science subject. But when I came here, all the teachers in this city were teaching in English,
Hmm.
okay, and I didn't know English. So I started taking English classes here, and I think my tutor helped me a lot to improve my English.
Yeah.
Okay, and later on, somehow I started making, building my communication skill and everything in English. And I think I just learned English in 4 years. Okay, right now I am learning in I am continuous journey, but my journey is this that up to high school I didn't get chance of learning English, but after intermediate I'm regularly learning English. Yeah, it is matter of fact, off and on. I sometimes left, sometimes I started, and from this lockdown I
Yeah.
have been learning English very intensely.
Yeah. 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 Because this was the great opportunity to spend more time at home. You know, because when there is a lockdown is imposed outside of the home, so we are not allowed to what to roam or to do things outside of the house. You know,
Yes,
so
sir.
being at home to make good use of our what 24-hour time, because we have a lot of time with us, so we can make good use of that time. Because
Yes,
in
sir.
during this lockdown I also use the same, also
Mhm.
as you use the time for what your development of your English, you know, I
Yes,
use
sir.
the same purpose, and I got a good result out of it, definitely.
Of
So
course, sir.
we must be thankful for this great pandemic sometime.
Yes, somehow everything, I
Oh,
think every dark spot has silver line. Okay, just the same here. Okay, we learned English and we are communicating with whole world
yeah, yeah,
at same
definitely.
time, isn't it? But
I
before we
was
were just frog of the pond. Okay, but
yes.
right now we are, speaking with lots of people. Yeah.